Hey guys, I am Dr. Zainab Vora. I hope you have heard the name of BTR. So for some of you, it is Buri, Tarah, Ratto. For some of you, it's been Believe to Rakho. Some of you called it Believe, Trust, Revise. No matter how you take the name, one thing has been for sure and constant, that it has been for you guys, for the students. You have accepted it, you have made it your own, and now it is ready to evolve. So now I'm ready to reveal the name of the new app. It's called CoreBTR. Yes, CoreBTR, launching on 2nd of April, is ready to take your preparation from revision to revolution. So remember, CoreBTR. Why the name Core? You know, the core of every subject is what my intent is, that I give you what is the core of each and every 19 subjects. We understand it, we integrate it. That is always the aim with BTR. It is not to give a shortcut. It is to give you the essence, the central part. You know, if you go to the gym or you exercise, it's the core which is the most important. If your core is strong, you can do anything. So that is what we want to make your core concept stronger, your core integration stronger. So that is the idea with which I've thought of this name. A lot of you guessed it as well, so that's amazing. So that's how you know me. So this is CoreBTR, and honestly, the kind of love that you've shown it even before it has launched, even before you've had a glimpse of what it has to offer, it's been really heartwarming to see. It's been very humbling for me. So a big thank you to each one of you for the constant love and support, and that is what makes me want to wake up and work harder every single day. So thank you so much from our entire team who's been working really hard behind the scenes. So a big thank you from all of us. And now I'm just waiting to see you all at the CoreBTR app very soon.